Welcome back to the Jazzy Nation. In today's video, I am going to show you more things in my apartment that just make sense. I hope you all enjoy this. You asked for a part 2, so here I am giving it to you. And yeah, let's just get started and take a tour around my house. I've got a couple of things to show you, and maybe if you see some things along the way, you can point them out to me in the comment section below and be like, hey Jasmine, that makes sense too. That's pretty cool too. So yeah, let's go get started. All right, so we are walking through my house, I usually sing as I walk through my house. My husband is in here doing the dishes, or putting them away. Oh, it's carrots or something, I don't know. Anyways, the first thing I'm gonna show you is in my bathroom, which is, I'm a little scared about this because the bathroom might not be clean. So here we go. Turn on the light. The thing I want to talk about actually is in this bathroom area right here, which we have as our geyser, which the geyser is pretty cool because it controls the hot water heater, which we have one of these in each of the bathrooms. And I think it's cool because you don't need to have a big hot water heater for the whole entire house. You can kind of control what when you use hot water or not. And we actually don't use this shower at all. So having a geyser in the bathroom actually saves us from, wasting water and wasting energy. So it's pretty cool. Go ahead and turn that off. Turn the lights off. All right, moving into our kitchen. We see the husband is cooking and he can't hear me at all. Should we creep on him a little bit? Let's creep on him a little bit. Hey, baby.
Baby.
I'm filming my video of things in my Indian apartment.
Oh, no, I can't. I cannot hear you.
Oh, my gosh. Okay, well, I guess we'll leave him to his peeling. Thing number 2 is actually right here. And it's something that we have in the kitchen and all of our bathrooms. And it is this drain right here. Oh, and it's so gross. It's so dirty. Look how dirty the drain is. With this drain, what's nice about it is you can, in fact, mop the floor and push the water in the drain, but it also is what feeds into our sink and our washing machine, which is also in the kitchen, which is kind of weird. Doesn't always make sense. That's why it's not a part of this video. But with our drain situation here, and excuse our tile part here, it's kind of coming apart. To clean this, I'll show you what I'm gonna do. I've got a cup of fresh water here, and I'm gonna add apple cider vinegar to it. I usually can add apple cider vinegar or regular vinegar. It really doesn't matter, but this is a little more expensive. And then I'll just pour it in the drain, kind of clean it out. And then I'll do another run through of water. Alright, so I'm going to let that do its thing, put the top back on, and then of course, like I said, the water can drain back into the drain, or the hole. Alright, so let's move on to the last thing in my apartment that makes sense, and I've got to turn off my air conditioning in here. It's kind of loud, so I get the button real quick. There we go. Because this thing is actually outside. It's kind of weird, but we'll get an understanding of what this is in just a second. Put my shoes on first. All right, so we are outside. Now we are outside of my house. And the thing I want to show you is actually this right here. This is netting. And although the holes in this netting are in fact, big enough for my fingers to go through, it's really nice because it, obviously prevents bigger animals from getting into our house and onto our balconies and different things like that. So I really like this. We do in fact get birds. We get like little hummingbirds that'll come through this area here, and they'll leave, but sometimes bigger birds and critters try to come through, and so this netting is really great. It makes a lot of sense for where we live in particular because we get bats. Y'all. We do get bats. So, it's nice. It's important to have And I'm grateful that they thought about this for our outside patio areas. Look at that bird. You see him? You see him? Like, that type of bird tries to get in here all the time. That is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know it was like a short and sweet type of video, but that's what I could think of for today. And if you have any more video ideas that you'd like to see me do while I'm here in India, because things may or may not change, I don't know yet, you don't know yet, but yeah, give me as many of the ideas that you have now, so that I can plan my content for the next month or so. So I hope you guys are doing well, staying healthy and safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys. Mwah. If you like this type of video, make sure you subscribe. He is literally making so much noise. I'm trying to record a video and I cannot.